Hey, my friend, it's Jason Foster again, and hope you're doing good. Now, if you're watching this video right now, you're most likely looking for a Dabbl app review. Maybe you want to try out the app and you don't really know about it, and you want to know if it's legit or if it's not so legit, right? And maybe you want to know the earning potential of this app. So, what I have done a lot of research into the app, and now I'm going to give you a full review so you can actually know for sure if this is the app that's going to help you to make some money online, right? And also, my friend, really important, at the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you a much better way to make money online, okay? Because you will find out in this video review that Dabbl app doesn't pay a lot of money at all. I'm going to explain to you how much money you can actually earn with it. And you're going to get all the information, my friend. So if you find some value with the video, go ahead and like it and share it with someone else who may be looking for a Dabbl app review. We want more people to understand what it is, okay? Now, the first thing with Dabbl app, you will see that it's available only on the App Store. So if you're using a Mac, if you're using an Apple phone, it's only available in the App Store for iPhone and also for the iPad device as well. It's also available on Android. So if you prefer to use Android, you can always go to the Google Play Store and also download it to your phone, okay? Now, I want to go into my presentation over here to show you more about this Dabbl app review so you get the full understanding, my friend. Okay. Now, the first thing, as I was just saying, is that Dabbl app is an app that you can use on your Android or your iOS device. Okay. So just understand it's not available on computer, on your laptop. Okay. Only on your little devices. Okay. Now, maybe you want to know how it actually works. Now, I'm going to explain to you. Okay. So you just download it to your phone. It's very simple. You go to the App Store, you do your thing, and you just click download, install the app. All right. And there are some requirements you need to know about. Okay. So first, you must have a US phone number for this to work. Okay. So if you are not in the United States, it will not work for you so well. Okay. I know that some of you guys will use VPN and change your location, but you really need to have a US phone number, because the thing is that they verify this before you actually get accepted to use the app. Now, you also have to be 13 years or older to use this app. Okay. So if you're under 13, you won't be able to use this. Okay. Remember, you have to verify your age and also the phone number, because they're going to send a verification link to your phone. Okay. Now, there are some requirements to receive gift cards. So just so you understand, this app only pays you via gift cards. So it's not cash, only gift cards. I know you can use the apps like to shop on Amazon or Walmart. You can use those cards, but no cash for this, okay? Now you have to provide your full name, your email address, and you also have to create a password. That is before you actually receive your gift card. So when you reach the amount of money that they pay out, the amount of, points actually, you'd have to create your name, give them your address, and also create a password for that, okay? Now, how do you earn money with Dabbl app? This is important. Now, I'm going to show you the 4 ways how people are actually making money with Dabbl app, okay? The first way is by doing surveys, okay? And the surveys that they give are very simple surveys, and they just pay out 1 cent to 5 cents for those surveys. So as you can see, not a lot of money for you, but some people will find that, good amount of money, okay? Especially like if you're maybe like a teenager and you want to make a little money, you can do those surveys, get your 1 cent to 5 cents. Okay. Now you can also watch videos on this app, and they basically give you 10 points for that. You can also complete offers for 5 cents. Okay. Very small there. The highest earning potential I see there is the referral program. So what this means is that you refer someone. They're going to provide you with a link that you can share with someone, and they will pay you 25 cents. Okay. The only thing I see is that they limit you with 20 referrals. Okay, so you can't go over 20 referrals when you're using this to get people to sign up. So okay, but this is a good way to make a little bit more money. As you can see, 25 cents. Okay, now I want to cover how you actually get paid with this. And so, as I was mentioning, points is what they basically pay you out, and the points, 5,000 points, is what you need to actually earn before you cash out. Okay, so the 5,000 points translates to $5 gift card. Okay, and the gift card that they actually have, they have a lot of gift cards, but some of the top ones are Amazon, Target, Disney, and Walmart. Okay, these are some of the top ones. They also have a lot of different ones from Applebee's and also other stores out there as well. Okay, now just so you understand, the cards are sent to your email address within 24 hours. That is after you have verified. So remember, you have to put your name in, your email address, for them to verify and send those gift cards to you within the 24 hours. Okay, now I want to go into the good and the bad about this particular Dabbl app so you can learn more. Now, the good is that it's legit. Okay, now there are many apps out there right now that are scams. A lot of them are basically harvesting your data, like your name, your email address, and they're selling it to other people out there and making money by basically selling your information. Okay, so with Dabbl app, they are legit. They won't sell your information, so you can feel safe knowing that you won't lose your information out there to criminals. Okay, now what's bad about this Dabbl app? They have a very small earning potential with this app. Okay, very small. So as you can see, I explained to you 1 cent to 5 cents, right? 10 points, right? 25 cents. Those are very small earnings that, personally, because I make money online, I make a full-time income online, much more than, those money that Dabbl pays. So I would look at this as, a waste of time, really, because you make such a small amount of money, which doesn't really help out a lot. Okay. Now, it's also only for people in the United States, as I mentioned earlier. So if you are not in the US and you're looking to make some money, again, I'm going to show you the way how I make money, which is available for everyone in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This is going to help you, okay? Now, that's what it is for Dabbl app. Basically, it's a legit app. People are using it to make a little money, but it's not the best out there as it relates to making money online, okay? Now, I like to tell people that when it comes to making money online, you have to understand that your time is the most essential thing, right? That's the number one asset we have, right? So I make money online by doing a business model called affiliate marketing, okay? As I pointed out to you down here where you see where Dabbl app actually pays you when you refer someone to use their app. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. Like you're recommending something to someone, and when they purchase something, you earn a commission. Now, the marketing that I do, I make much more. I made hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars each month, okay? Now, if you want to learn the process properly, because I just want to educate you and let you understand that online, you're going to find a lot of bad training teaching you affiliate marketing, and they're going to waste your time and you're going to be frustrated, okay? Now, the best training that I see out there is I-ticket affiliate marketing, where you're going to make good money by basically putting work and time, right? And making good money. And that's what you want to do, right? So I have a link to my #1 training for affiliate marketing in my description. I'm going to put the link there where you can click on it and you can get more information and get started today learning from me and my colleagues, because this is what we do to make a significant amount of money online, where we are, helping other people as well, because that's one of the things. When we recommend these products or services online, we help people, and we also make money when they purchase stuff. So you can also get started in the business and learn it properly from the right people, and make sure you don't get scammed online. Okay, so I'm going to put a link to that in the description there. And if you have questions at all, feel free to leave your questions or comment right in the comment section there, and I'll be able to reply to you as well, my friend. Now, if you want to learn how to do blogging, like blogging to make money online, create a website, I have a free affiliate marketing guide that actually shows you the steps. Okay, there are basically 4 steps to do this, but again, this is very time this takes a lot of time for you to actually do it properly. So with this method that I'm going to show you, this is my free affiliate marketing guide. This will take roughly 6 months for you to start making some money. But this is a very powerful way to make money online as well, by writing on a blog, getting it ranked in Google so that people find your content and people purchase stuff that you recommend to them. So I'll put this as like the second link in the description, so you can also check that out. This is like a free gift for you for watching the video today, my friend. Now, again, my name is Jason Foster. I'm the founder at Smart Human Blogger, as you can see here. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. And remember to like the video and share it with someone else who may want to know more about how this Dabbl app actually works. Hopefully you found some value here, and I answered all your questions. And I appreciate you taking your time to watch this as well, because I know your time is very valuable, my friend. But thank you again. I look forward to connecting with you and helping you out to make real money on the internet and support yourself and your loved ones. All right, so take care. I'll see you in the next video.